Hello everyone, I am Shomadip Das. My roll number is 20ME30062. I have made 3 projects using FreeCAD software for DIY assignment 1. My first project is a twisted vase with 2 mm thickness. To create this vase, I made 4 sketches. The sketches are basically equilateral triangles with varying sizes. Each triangle is located at a different height from the base and have a different orientation or an angle. After that, using loft feature, I selected the individual sketches to create the smooth gradient. Then I made the 2 mm thickness, thus I created the twisted vase. My second object is a pen stand. In order to create the pen stand, I used pad feature to make the bottom section of this body. Then I used another pad feature to create the top segment. Next, I created an array of small rectangular pieces. Then I used the cut feature in order to get the final part. My third object is a vase which I created from revolution. At first, I created this sketch. Then I revolved the section and finally I added the thickness in order to get this final body.